Assalamu alaikum class. How are you? Hope you all are fine. Today is 8th of January 2024, Monday. And according to Islamic calendar, 25 Jumadal Thani 1445 हिजरी। 8 जनवरी 2024 ईद यौमुल सामी। Okay class, it's your computer lesson. And today we are going to read chapter number 8. We'll learn two practices. So once learns to type. So this is our chapter number 8, which practices typing. Firstly we have to know that how to learn typing. So there are some rules to use the keyboard. So we have to know that what are the rules of using keyboard. We know that we have to know that which finger is used for which key. So we can easily type our words which we want. So here I am going to make a diagram of keyboard, so which I tell you that which keys are important to increase our typing speed. So here we also learn that which finger is used for which key. So your keyboard is look like that. You all, I think you all see the keyboard. So suppose that this is your keyboard, and these are your keys. You all know that you have have three types of keys. Can anyone tell me that how many types of keys? Yes, there are three types of keys. So tell me the names of the keys. Yes, tell me the names of the types of the keys. Yes, very good. Yes, alphabet keys and numeric keys and alphanumeric keys. Very good. Clap for you. And the alphabet keys are the letter keys which have some alphabets that A, B, C, D, E, F, G. And the numeric keys are the number keys in which we have to type numbers 0, 1, 2, 3 and onward. And in alphanumeric keys, we have the keys of symbols, alphabets and numbers. All the keys in the keyboard are called alphanumeric keys, which have space bar key, caps lock key. All functional keys are the alphanumeric keys because its name shows that there are alphabets and numbers and symbols are all included. So suppose this is your keyboard and these are the keys on your keyboard. So these are some important keys to learn that how we have to type. So firstly we remember that GH are the first keys, or we can say that it's the first step to learn that how to practice or how to type. So G and H keys are the keys through index fingers we use. So our right hand index finger press the H key and our left hand index finger press G key. So after stretching upward, we use our right hand index finger to press U and Y, and to stretch the left hand index finger upward, we have to press T and R. Just like that. And then you use your right hand middle finger to press the I key, and you use your left hand middle finger to press E, and then you use your right hand ring finger to press O, and then you have to use your left hand ring finger to press W, and then you have to use your little right hand finger to press P. This keyboard keys are so long, so that's why my fingers are not placed at the right distance. So when you are going to practice on your keyboards, then you will know that how easy it is. So we use our left hand ring finger to press Q key. And by moving these fingers, and when you know that the correct position of your fingers to press the key, then you use and you can type easily by using these fingers. Now you can see that I can type easily and press any key. So the thumb is used for space bar key. Now these are all the steps to start our typing. So you can easily position your fingers, and then you can easily type your words which you want to enter in your computer. Just like you want to create a document, if you know that which finger is used for which key, you can easily place your fingers on the keys which you want to type, and this also take less time to make a document. So class, now we are going to read our chapter number 8, which practices typing. It's your page number 62. So listen carefully and underline the difficult words for dictation. Let's start. Many computer users develop back problems due to bad posture. Computer develop problems posture. Remember the following things when you sit down to type. Sit straight in a comfortable chair. Do not use a laptop on your bed. Comfortable. The table must be at the correct height. The keyboard should be below or at the same level with your elbows. The computer should be centered in front of you. Your eyes should be above the top of the monitor so you do not strain your neck. So we read in this paragraph that when users or the typers who use the computer or type the keyboard, they have some back problems due to bad posture, and bad posture mean that they are not sit properly in the way where their computer is placed. So remember, there are some steps to follow during typing. So the first step is that sit straight in a comfortable chair. Do not use a laptop on your bed. That you have to sit straight, just like you are sitting straight during your lesson, and a chair should be comfortable on which you can sit easily, and you don't where you can move easily, and do not use a laptop on your bed. That these pictures show that how is using a computer, that he sits straight, he is not using computer on bed. Then the second is that the table must be at the correct height. You can see in this picture that sit on the correct height mean that the computer have placed on the correct height just in front of Wiz, that he can see the screen very easily. The keyboard should be below or at the same level with your elbows, just like Wiz elbows are on table in front of the computer and keyboard. So your keyboard should be below or at the same level of your elbows, because when you are typing, your fingers have to move easily. If your keyboard is below or at the same level, then you can easily type, but if it is above on your level, then you face some difficulty to type. The computer should be centered in front of you. That a computer have to be placed on the table at the center, not on the right side, not on the left side. Where you sit, the computer should be placed in front of you or in center. Your eyes should be above the top of the monitor so you do not strain your neck. That your monitor or your screen should be in front of you, and your eyes should be on the above or on the top of the monitor. Then your neck do not be strained. Strain mean that you can easily move your neck, and you don't face any difficulty during your typing. So these are some images. You have to tell that which one is correct posture to type. Mark the images with correct posture with a tick, and those with incorrect posture with a cross. So is this picture is correct? Is this posture is correct? Is this posture is correct? Is this posture is correct? Or is this posture is correct? These two postures are correct, and these three postures are wrong. Can anyone tell me why these two postures are tick and why these postures are wrong? Yes, very good. These postures are correct because Wiz sit on a comfortable chair, and Wiz sit straight. Very good. And his elbows are at the same level of the keyboard. Very good. And monitor is in the center. Yes, very good. And the computer is placed on the table, in the center of the table. Yes, good, very good. This is also the correct posture because here Wiz also sit straight and sit on a comfortable chair. His elbows are at the same level of the keyboard, and his eyes are on the top of the monitor. Yes, very good. And these postures are wrong because Wiz put his laptop on the bed, which we learned before that we do not put our laptop on the bed. Yes. This is also a wrong posture, and this is also a wrong posture because he is bending his neck. Yes, very good. Now it's your page number 60. So these hands identified the names of the fingers, that these are your index fingers, and we learned before that index fingers are used for G and H keys. And when we stretch our index finger upward, then we press the R, T, U and Y keys. Very good. And middle fingers are used for, the both hand middle fingers are used for E and I. Very good. And the both hand ring fingers are used for W and O. Very good. And the little fingers of both hands are used for Q and P. Yes. And thumb is used for pressing the space bar key. Very good. Now, do you remember the correct finger positions on the keyboard? Yes, you remember. Now, we learn the next steps of keyboard, that how we type further by using our fingers. Place the fingers of the left hand on the A, S, D, F keys and the right hand on the J, K, L keys. You can see in this picture that how he placed his fingers on keyboard, that his left hand fingers are placed on A, S, D, F keys and his right hand fingers are placed on J, K, L keys. Now this is your page number 64. Use the index fingers. This one is your index finger. So use the index finger to type the bottom row letters on the keyboard. Tenses flex mean that move your fingers and stretch the index finger downward. That you have to move your fingers and stretch your index finger downward to place your fingers on the bottom row. Then your left index fingers are used to press V and B keys. Then extend the right index finger down to press the N and M keys. Just like we press G and H key for right index finger and left index finger, and then we stretch our index fingers upward to press R, T, U and Y. Just like that we use our index fingers to press A, S, D, F and J, K, L, and then after stretching our index finger downward we press V and B and N and M keys. With the left hand we type B, V, B, V, V, B, V, B. With the right hand we type N, M, N, M, M, N, M, N. In which direction you want to type, just you have to know that these fingers are used for these keys. So in some words your alphabets are in Okay class, this is your page number 65. Place fingers over the two sets of 4 keys. Use the middle fingers to type the bottom row letter on the keyboard. Flex your fingers, stretch the fingers downward, extend the left middle finger to press the C key. Flex mean move. Okay class, you have to move your fingers and then stretch your fingers downward and press the C key with your left middle finger. You can see in this picture that you press the C key by using your left middle finger, and you press the symbol of comma by using right middle finger. Now this is your page number 66. Extend the ring finger, left ring finger to press the X key, and extend the right ring finger to type a symbol of full stop. Yes, good. You can see in these pictures that how Viz type X key by using his left ring finger and type the full stop symbol by using his right ring finger. Now on your page number 67, extend the left little finger to press the Z key and extend the right little finger to type a slash. So you can see in this picture that how Viz type by moving his fingers, and he pressed the Z key by using his left little finger, and in this picture he pressed the slash key by using right little finger. With the left hand we type CXZ, ZXC. With the right hand we type comma, full stop and slash, and with both hands we type Z/X, full stop, C and comma, C, comma, X dot, Z and slash. Use the thumb to tap on the space bar. So this is the little difference in the first steps and the next steps. So these unarranged words means that if you have to type the other words, then you can easily type because you know that which finger is used for which key. So class, today we learned that how to type and how to practice. So if we maintain our good posture while during the time of typing, then we can easily type, and we also increase our speed. So I hope that you understand well. So kindly write down your diaries. Do reading of chapter number 8 by your own. So it will help you to understand it well. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.